Today in the opposition you can always use any words that you want, and this was the government which gave PM Garib Kalyan within hours after the lockdown was brought in, and that Garib Kalyan meant that they would have food for the next 3 months, then now extended to 2 months, so that nobody goes hungry. We also thought of giving them cooking gas so that they shouldn't be running here and there for cooking, and also given them some amount to run the house with some expenditure taken care of. Farmers were given and so on. So they can, obviously the opposition can comment, but I would in turn ask them, have those state governments where they are in power handle this matter any better? Wouldn't their attention be sent towards those governments and those states where even now their party or their alliance partners are in power? They have not flattened the curve. They have not had the migrants handled in a very exemplary way that all of us can learn from them. It's astonishing how in a matter of this kind of a sensitivity, they are one after the other within that party, particularly the Congress party, irresponsibly talking about things in some other state. Would they care to look at states where they are in power? Would they care to look at it and assess for themselves that they have also been so indifferent and so uncaring that they have no business talking about BJP or the central government? If she is really in focus about the Uttar Pradesh government, she should see why 300 trains arrived in Uttar Pradesh when not even 5 or 7 arrived in Chhattisgarh. I'm sorry, I don't want to politicize this, because migrants are Indians, and I think all of us in this extraordinary situation which has arisen because of the pandemic should concentrate and work together so that all of us help in this kind of a situation than finger pointing. But because you were furthering on that, and because you specifically took Uttar Pradesh, 300 trains as opposed to 7. I'm not saying the size of the populations are comparable, but the migrants probably are comparable. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, the numbers may be comparable to entire UP put together. I'm not even talking about Maharashtra yet. Bombay, Mumbai has not even, settled on the number. So please, this is unfair, dirty, and clearly shows the hypocrisy of the Congress. If Congress can call an official government of India announcing a package at a time like this when everybody is asking for a stimulus, with the officials, if I come and announce it, I don't know who used it, A or B or C, but Congress. One said, oh, it's like a TV serial, every day she comes at 4. The other said it's a drama. I didn't respond to any one of them. Even on the 5th day when I was announcing, I didn't respond to any one of them. But yet, because somebody did ask me, on the migrant you saw, so I had to say, I'll borrow their own words and tell. If ours, which were official press conferences coming and telling about what package government wants to give, is called drama, is called serial, stopping the migrants on their way when they're really walking, which makes all of us, put our head down in worry, and I feel sorry. What is this country up to? I mean, what is happening? All that is worrying. And at that time, you go and sit and have a gupshup, and don't I have a right to comment on it?